welcome back to my channel. This is Mariviki, the biyahirang bisdak sa Norway. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel, and to all my subscribers and supporters, a huge thanks to you from the bottom of my heart. In today's vlog guys, I'm gonna make a homemade plum jam, okay?
Here are the ingredients: apple, honey, and plums. Cut the plums into halves and remove the seed. Cut the apple into half, then cut it again into 3 slices, or cut it according to your desired sizes. Plums and apples are high in pectin. Apple pectin is a type of soluble fiber naturally found in apples. Fruit pectin is a starch that is naturally present in fruit and berries. It is used to thicken recipes like jam or jellies. Health benefits of pectin. Pectin is found in high content in orange, carrots, apples, plums, berries, and citrus peels. Some benefits of pectin are: 1. It is used for diarrhea and constipation. 2. It is used to prevent prostate and colon cancer. 3. It is used to prevent gastroesophageal reflux disease and diabetes. 4. It is used for the prevention of lead, metal, and strontium poisoning. 5. It is applied to skin for ulcerated mouth as well as throat sores. 6. It also regulates the bowel movements in the body. In a casserole, put the sliced plums and grated apples. After putting the plums and the grated apples, cover the casserole and cook it for 45 minutes in high fire, and if it's starting boiling, set the fire into medium. From time to time, check and stir it. After 45 minutes, it's cooked already. And let it cool down in 1 hour. And while waiting to cool it down, prepare the blender. Put the cooked plums and apples in the blender. And add honey. Blend it until it becomes fine. After blending, put it into a small jar. Guys, I'm going to do second blending for the rest of the mixture. Guys, these are the finished products. My own version of Luscious Plum and apple jam. Thank you for watching. See you again next week. Bye!